So hey, John at Fix-A-Fence here, guys. Just wanted to let you know that I've been searching hard for a screen printing guy, because advertising is pretty important for all you small business owners out there, and that's what I like to do. I like to support the small business, since I'm a small business myself. Fix-A-Fence LLC here in Portland, Oregon. But anyway, I found this guy Daniel with SGPrintworks here, and he's been doing screen printing for how long?
I've been doing it for a decade.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about screen printing here, Daniel?
Screen printing, there's different ways of putting graphics onto t-shirts and posters and other substrates.
How'd you get into it?
Well, I got into it like about 12 years ago. I was in a band, and we were about to go on tour, and needed to get some merch to sell at shows and that sort of thing. And I got myself a very rudimentary, very inexpensive setup. Started doing it, and I think about the first time I pulled the squeegee and then saw what the impression on the t-shirt, I fell in love with it and decided this is what I want to do for the rest of my life.
Right on, right on. So if there's any other small business owners out there that are probably thinking about getting into screen printing themselves, if there's any advice you'd like to give them, is there anything that you could give them as far as starting a screen business?
Oh, wow, yeah. Well, I could go on for hours about that, but I'll try to keep it brief. Well, first of all, it can be very frustrating, very hard at first, but if you keep doing it, it gets easier, just like many other things.
Absolutely.
And another thing too is I understand that a lot of people are doing it on a shoestring budgets, I suggest, being frugal is good. There's nothing wrong with that, but being cheap and cutting corners is going to be something that you're going to regret. So
right.
Try to avoid doing that at all costs.
Very well. All right. Well, hey, Daniel, thanks for some of the advice. You want to show us around the shop, maybe what it takes? Or
yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll just follow you.
So it's kind of like giving somebody a tour of a studio apartment, but yeah, here it is. This here is my main press. It's an 8-color, 8-station press. I can print up to 8 colors on this one. This is my other press that I use for just like different kinds of placements and stuff. This here is a flash dryer. This hovers over a station like this to put a quick little flash cure in between printing colors.
Oh look, I see Fix-A-Fence on there. He's got Fix-A-Fence on there.
Yeah.
What's that? Look at that, guys! Fix-A-Fence!
And then this here is the conveyor dryer. After all the shirts are printed, they run through here for their final cure.
Interesting.
And then, this here is my dark room.
A dark room.
See, it's dark.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is where I code all of my screens, and this is where I expose all of my screens.
Interesting. That's so cool, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
That is so cool. And he comes out the dark.
And then yeah, there's my washout booth where I spray out stencils and clean screens. As you can see, it's got some use.
Well, hey Daniel, again, thanks for letting Fix-A-Fence come on inside the shop here and show us the finer points of screen printing. I mean, my goodness, this is so cool. So again, hey, thanks again.
It's been a pleasure, John. And yeah, if anybody ever has any questions regarding screen printing, advice on how to do it, or of course, if you need to order some t-shirts, you can contact me at sgprintworks@gmail.com.
I'll put the link in the comments below there, so if you guys want to get a hold of him, I'll have the website and his email there too. So, all right. Hey, with that, you guys keep smiling and have a great day. All right.
Awesome.